What's up guys, it's Nava Rose. Welcome back to a brand new episode of We Got Renew Upcycling. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how you can upcycle this matching two-piece set into a great Halloween costume. It is going to be a DIY, so all you need is some glue, your hands, and scissors. This is going to be a really simple DIY. All you're going to need is leaves and leaves, literally just leaves. So you could use these leaves to create a costume like Poison Ivy from the comics or an Adam and Eve costume, which I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna do a layout first just so I know how many leaves to cut. So once you're happy with the placement and the gluing of the leaves, just put it aside and let it dry. I'm gonna do the same thing to the skirt, so I'm just gonna cut leaves and glue them down. So once you're done gluing all your leaves down, you are finally finished with your two-piece set. I actually left a lot of space open, but left the leaves on the corners and on the sides. So this is the final look, and all you have to do for an Eve outfit, just pair it with an apple.